there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will continue on our learning about how to use Microsoft Visual FoxPro in making simple programs. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. We are improving in terms of my numbers. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, share this video, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and most importantly, please support my channel by subscribing. So let's get started. So right now I'm running this program. We have here a single form, add an even number in Visual FoxPro, give a number, and then we have here three buttons: the OK, the clear, and then the quit. Now let's say for example we will give a value of 6. When we click OK, it will display the given number 6 is an even number. Click the clear button, it will allow us to put a new set of values, let's say 11. Click OK. The given number 11 is an odd number. Clear. Another example, we have here 32. So the given number 32 is an even number. Click. If we want to quit, we just click this quit button. Now let us examine on how the program works. We have here the project manager. So we have here in the form designer, so we have here add underscore even dot ecx. So we have here the form, a simple form. We have here a label. We have two label 1 and label 2, and then we have here the text box that we have here that has the name of text num. So let us go for the first button. Click OK button. So we have here a variable text value equals val. Take this form text num dot value. The val command will convert this object into integer format. Remainder equals text value percent or modulus to check if there is a remainder to 2. If remainder equals 0, meaning there is no remainder, then it is true. This form label 2 dot caption, the given number L trim, left trimming, removing the left space, str, we convert again from integer to string. Text value plus is an even number. This form text num that set focus, where the cursor will focus on a text num, else it is false. So the given number is an odd number. Text focus again in F, end of the if condition. Control W to save. Let us go to clear button, double click. So we have here this form label 2 that caption equals to quotation to clear. The same thing with this object text num that value, double quotation, and this form text num that set focus for the cursor. Let us press Control W to save. And then quit button, we have only one command, this form point release. We will release this form. So Control W to save. When we run, or Control E, let's say 56, give a number 56. The given number 56 is even number. Clear. 57, so it becomes odd number. The given number 57 is an odd number. Clear. Let's say 1. The given number 1 is an odd number. Clear. 4. The given number 4 is an even number. And then click the quit button. So this is the end of our tutorial video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new on how to create an odd and even number program using Microsoft Visual FoxPro. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video, share to social media, click the notification bell so that you will be informed or notified with my newly uploaded video in my channel, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.